Hello, it's Arthur again. Today we're gonna look at the transfer case that came out of this beautiful GL550. Hello everyone, this is Arthur. Today we're gonna take a look at this transfer case. It's from a 2008 Mercedes GL550. And what happened is the transfer case had a self-destruction happen to it. It pretty much broke the case. So with these cars, with these GLs and MLs and other 4MATIC Mercedes, it seems like it happens more on the GLs because they're heavier. This chain inside gets worn out and it starts tapping against the walls. It starts skipping the gears and starts tapping against the walls. I have a video on it. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll link it down below, how to replace it. It's a walkthrough of a process. So this customer, he was going to have this chain replaced, and he had contacted me, and I had told him to bring it over and let me change the chain. And he waited a little bit before he did that, and then he contacted me. He said that he noticed there was a lot of oil under the car and the chain is knocking more now. And when he brought it over, I lifted the car up and we saw that the case has failed. So we're gonna open this up today and see what we can find inside. This is the view that you get if you're standing behind the car, and you usually just see this area. This part goes towards the back. This is the side that goes towards the tail of the transmission. I already have a new transfer case in the car. We were able to find the replacement one and put the chain in there and put it on, and the car works well now, no issues anymore. So we're gonna pop this open together and we're gonna take a look at it to see what's going on with it. Piece broke off already, and this one, the screw came out and got lost, and all these pieces are gone already. This one just E10s. A 20 E10 bolt. And then there's a sealer that holds it together, so you gotta pop it open. This one, it's not gonna be reusable anymore, so I'm not worried about scratching anything. It's already pretty damaged. Yep. The piece broke off. Okay, wow. As you can see, this part is completely missing. Wow, there's a plastic part that goes here around the gear, that goes around this gear, that is completely gone. It's shredded away. The magnet is full of parts. Looks like some kind of a gear. safe to say this is not usable anymore. This is the gear that goes towards the back. And both teeth look intact. This one I think is okay still. I don't think it needs to be reused, but it seems like it didn't get damaged at all. So the tensioner goes here, and it looks like it's just broke off from its mounts. And there's a piece of the plastic that there's this big plastic piece that is usually inside. This is part of it. Now let's see how stretched the chain is. Oh yeah, it's really stretched. So every time you're pushing the gas, this one just starts tapping and then it starts skipping the gears because of the stretched gear. And being a 550 having more power probably didn't help either compared to 450s. Let's take a look at the chain itself. Looks like there's one piece that got damaged over here. This one is kind of poking out. Probably something got in the way. This is going to be trash. The gear is pretty good. There's nothing really wrong with it. These gears don't really wear out unless there's some kind of failure or different failure or something, but from a stretched chain, if you do it in a timely manner when it just starts knocking, they seem to be okay, all of them. This one too, still pretty good. I wouldn't use it in any other car, but it's still fine. Let's see, this bearing is okay. This bearing is okay too. In this case, on this side was completely destroyed too. It just got eaten up completely. I'm not gonna take these off. I need to. They're fine. And so this customer got lucky because he was able to find a replacement transfer case from a 2006 R500 from a pick-apart type of junkyard, a used one, which was actually in very nice condition, very clean. The chain wasn't really that stretched, but it was a little bit, so I put a new chain on it and I did seal it and put it back in the car, and it works great now. And as far as this one goes, this one is just gonna go to the trash. There's nothing usable here. So if you do have a GL, ML or other 4MATIC Mercedes, mostly seems to be the GLs from 2007 and the next body style, the 166 body style, also the turbo ones. As soon as you start hearing knocking at first gear, like hard acceleration, the knocking seems to be coming from the left front, so it makes you believe like it's the CV axle, but it's actually, from my experience, it's been only the transfer case. It just travels through the body of the car and it makes you believe that it is the CV axle. But if you hear it on the video that I have posted before about this repair, you can hear the sound there and you will know what I'm talking about in case if it happens on your car. So thank you for watching. It's just gonna be a video. Might have to do more videos like this in the future of damaged parts and just take a look at them, see why they failed and what it looks like. Please comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time.